Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm making a luxurious body butter made with shea butter and mango butter. It's creamy, fluffy, whipped to perfection, and oh so easy to make. Want to see how I make this luxurious body butter? Well, keep watching. So ingredients are mango butter, shea butter, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, and arrowroot powder. So guys, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. So I'm going to start by cutting up some of my shea butter, and I'm going to be using 6 ounces of refined shea butter. So refined shea butter is white in color and it's odorless. So if you don't like the nutty smell of unrefined shea butter, then refined shea butter is a great alternative. And it's the best alternative to use if you're wanting to add any fragrances to your body butter. So like I said, I'm measuring out 6 ounces of shea butter, and it's going to double in size when I whip it. I'm definitely going to be set for a while in the body butter department. So I've already measured out my 6 ounces of mango butter, so I'm just adding it to a bowl, and then I'm going to add in my shea butter that I just cut up and measured out. So now it's time to melt both of my hard butters together, and I'm going to do that by sitting my bowl into a water bath on the stove on very low heat. So it's going to take this butter about 30 minutes to melt on very low heat, and I'm just going to give it a stir every now and then to help break up the larger pieces. So while my butters are melting, I'm going to take my jojoba oil and my sweet almond oil, and I measured out 3 ounces of each of these oils, and I'm going to sit them in a different water bath on low heat so that when I combine everything together, it's all around the same temperature. So as you can see, my butters are almost done melting. Not quite, but we're getting there. So now that my butters and oils are melted and everything has cooled down a little and are about the same temp, I'm going to combine them all together in a mixing bowl. So I just poured in my shea and mango butter. Next, I'm going to add in my jojoba oil and give it a little stir. And then lastly, I'm going to add in my sweet almond oil and also give it a little stir. So now I'm going to use the cool down method to quickly thicken up my butter and oil mixture by sitting it in the freezer. It's now time to remove it from the freezer, and as you can see, it now has a thick, creamy consistency, and this is perfect. It's just the consistency I was expecting. So now I'm going to take my bowl and place it on my stand mixer and start mixing on a low speed and then gradually increase to high speed. So you will see that the color starts to change from a yellow butter color to a white color. And you will also notice that the more I whip it, the more the body butter will increase in size. So to cut down on the greasy feel of using lots of butters and oils, I'm going to be adding in some arrowroot powder. I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons in total, just adding in a little bit at a time, and then I'll just keep mixing as I'm adding it in. So another little ingredient that I like to add is a vitamin E, which helps to moisturize and heal the skin, and it also helps to strengthen the skin's barrier. So I'm adding in 1 ml of vitamin E. So fragrance and colorants are other additives that I sometimes add to my body butters, but not this time because I want a basic, odorless, but soft and creamy, luxurious body butter. So now I'm going to add it to a piping bag, which is also an optional step. So this body butter is so creamy and soft that it can be added to a jar just by scooping it up with a spatula right from the bowl. But I like to practice my piping technique because, you know, it's kind of fun, so I'm doing it this way. So I'm going to call this my Shea Mango Body Butter, and I've made enough to fill up about 3 8-ounce jars, so that's what I'm doing now. So this body butter will get a little bit more firm the next day, but it will still be soft and melt on contact with your skin. So yes, this is the final product. It's super simple, easy, luxurious Shea Mango Body Butter, or Shea Mango. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and please share the video. Ingredients and products that I use can be found in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!